Hello, welcome to my channel. This is a general reading for Scorpio Sun, Moon, and Rising for the month of May. If it resonates with you, please keep watching. If it doesn't, you can book yourself a personal reading. The information is in the description box below. Let's see what's up with my end. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps me reach out to more people. And also, you can probably hit the bell icon so that you can keep getting notifications, as I'm very soon going to start posting weekly and daily readings also for all 12 signs. Let me see what's up with my Scorpios for the month of May. Scorpio Sun, Moon, Rising for the month of May, please. Scorpio Sun, Moon, and Rising for the month of May. Scorpio Sun, Moon, and Rising. Please, someone that's up with my Scorpio Sun, Moon, and Rising for the month of May. Scorpio Sun, Moon, Rising for the month of May. Scorpio Sun, Moon, Rising. Lots of oh my god. I see, Scorpio. So, lots of definitely, even if the times are tough, I do see you guys, absolutely overloaded with a lot of enthusiasm and, still walking on your path and, trying to build what you always wanted to build. So, you're quite stubborn about that, and, I've always said this that I absolutely love the kind of intensity, Scorpions, that you all come with, but at the same time, there's definitely a lot of mental exertion that I'm seeing over here. There's definitely that sense of what do you call, when you're not fulfilled emotionally, and you just want to walk off, and also at the same time, you're kind of feeling that you've given a lot and you're not receiving enough. It could be from workplaces, it could also be in your relationships. So, Scorpios, I do see it in a way that, as far as your professional era is concerned, like not your professional sphere of life is concerned, it looks pretty settled to me, because you guys are those people who manage it no matter what. But at the same time, I do sense a lot of turbulence and a lot of mental exertion. When it comes to your relationships, I mean, you're absolutely feeling that that will to just walk off or should not exist, and this relationship that you're in, or this situationship, whatever you're a part of at this point in time, has left you drained. Also, there is some sort of, maybe you don't feel enough appreciated in your relationship. Maybe you don't feel that you get your due share of appreciation, validation, and considering you're so intense and you put in your best, I think you're just feeling that lack of being seen and being heard and being valued and being appreciated for who you are. I want to see what's up with my Scorpions person. What's up with your person? Tell me what's up with your person for the month of May. Tell me what's up with your person, please. Tell me what this. Tell me what's up with your person. Tell me what's up with your person. Scorpio Sun. Tell me what's up with your person. Tell me what your person. I see, Scorpio. So I think the person that you all were associated with is kind of an extremely, was like a selfish human being who only bothered to, withdraw a lot from you, and they have done that. and at the same time I don't really see that they regret or repent. For a matter of fact, they are celebratory about it, that not about the fact that they've taken away so much from you. They still feel that it's done by them. At the same time, they're pretty happy the place they are in. They're emotionally fulfilled. They really don't feel guilty about the fact that that you've contributed so much to their life, and you're the reason because of home in which they have reached where they've reached. So I don't see any kind of sadness. And there's also Ten of Pentacles, which is a great sign. I don't see Western Ten of Pentacles. This is the Western Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles, Nine of Cups. Queen of Cups, Queen of Pentacles. I see, Scorpio. So your person is definitely, at this point of time, really extremely occupied in building their legacy, in just being the best version of themselves. For some of you, you could have been the person who really took a lot away from this person, who they didn't really feel like they were getting their share of validation, or they were getting their share of attention, because you were too occupied with work and settling yourself down. So they could have just realized that, okay, I'm not going to give into this equation, and this person moved on, and now they are on their way to building their legacy. But however, Scorpions, I do see that your person is in a good space right now, like probably financially and like emotionally they're in like a really good space. At the same time, since they have achieved their financial goals, they are kind of now confused if they should just keep moving on the same path, or if they should just like take a step back and now focus and nurture their relationships. So I just want to know the outcome because Scorpios and their person, please. Let's see what's the outcome. I definitely do see like the communication may not happen probably now, but of course there's a massive urge between both of you to like, communicate with each other. Please tell me what's the outcome for Scorpios and their person. Scorpio and their person for the month of May. Scorpio Sun and ready for the month of May, please. Scorpio Sun and ready for the month of May, please. Tell me what's up. What is going to happen between Scorpio and their person for the month. Tell me what's. I need a one shift as well. Okay, I do see Scorpio. So first of all, the outcome is going to be that, of course, both of you are going to be, even if your partner is in a good place personally, but as far as this relationship is concerned, they may feel a little bit, sleepless and anxious, and so would you. No matter the differences, you've always felt that there was certain sort of richness to this equation that both of you are definitely going to miss, and I do see that you all are going to come out of this space of heartbreak that you've created for each other. Though it's going to take some time, Wheel of Fortune has come in reverse. You guys will have to find middle grounds. You guys will have to, I do see an urge in both of you to probably like be together. And yes, I mean Scorpios, this is like, if both of you want to be together, this is a brilliant decision, because I really do feel that a person is a whole, like they have their demons and they have their angels, and when you decide to love somebody, you really decide to accept both the sides. I mean, that doesn't mean I indicate that you should at all learn to accept abuse coming from somebody, but at the same time, we need to forgive our people, and Scorpios, you all have really mastered the art of maintaining long-term deep relationships. So I don't have to tell you that, but at the same time, I do see you guys coming back together, and you must. And this is it for the month of May. I'm sending you guys a lot of love and light. I will see you next month. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me reach out to more people. Thank you. Bye bye.